In this video, we're going to continue our discussion on the psychoanalytic theory of personality by going over defense mechanisms. You'll recall in our previous videos that Freud believed that our structure of personality has three components: the id, the ego, and the superego. And it is the ego that has to balance the id, which seeks gratification, and the superego, which seeks moral perfection. According to Freud, when the ego struggles to reconcile the id and the superego, this results in internal conflicts. While most internal conflicts are resolved quickly, some internal conflicts last longer, and this results in anxiety that distresses the individual. And what the ego does is it employs defense mechanisms to protect the individual from this anxiety. And there's actually quite a lot of defense mechanisms, and you can classify them as either mature, such as denial, or immature, such as sublimation. So to go over a few immature defense mechanisms, first we have denial. This is straight up ignoring unpleasant thoughts or feelings, or at least excluding them from conscious awareness. So as an example, you can have a person who is in significant financial debt, but they continue to buy expensive clothes and cars. Next, we have identification. This is internalizing aspects of others. An example would be a child who develops the same behaviors as their parents. And then we have projection. This is attributing one's own thoughts or feelings to another person or group. An example is a child who hates their classmate. But instead, the child thinks that they like their classmate, and it's their classmate that hates them. So essentially, the child thinks, it's not that I hate my classmate, it's my classmate that hates me. But in reality, the child does hate their classmate. Alright, so here are just a few examples of immature defense mechanisms. In the next video, we're going to go over a couple additional immature defense mechanisms, as well as mature defense mechanisms. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our YouTube channel and clicking the bell icon for notifications. We release new videos every week covering the highest yield content on the MCAT. Plus, you can check out the video description for links to useful resources like our MCAT Prep mobile application.